What up, y'all? So Wild Willie out here. We down the road from the house. Sorry for the sniffles, guys. I've been dealing with, I think I had the flu, to tell you the truth about it. Whew. So dirt's still a little wet and soft here, guys. But we got the Outkast 8S out here. We got XLX2 in it. Stock motor. I think I got it geared up, whatever the little speed gearing is, a couple teeth up. We got a bunch of Vitavon parts, the knuckles, arms, back gearbox, top arm. We're gonna play on some of these hills. I got permission from the guy here to play on these dirt hills that they building houses at, so that's a good thing. Oh crap, I put a zip tie around it when I was zip tying it up there. Ain't that a mess? It's alright though. Extra protection, it ain't going nowhere. I need to clear the data log out on the XLX2. It is full, that's the reason it's doing that beeping. Alright guys, we got a few hills here. We're just gonna play around for a little bit and have some fun. Hope my shock stays together. A buddy of mine's son drove it the other day and ran it into a utility trailer. And it didn't bend the shaft, but it bent the doggone what you call it on it, the housing. It egg shaped it and almost pulled it apart. It was pouring fluid out of it, and I took it apart and took some pliers and tried to straighten it out some, and it seems to be working. That's what we out here really doing. Is really testing to see if oh, tumble-wumble, guys. We really testing to see how good that shock's gonna hold up. See if it's gonna start leaking on me. Yeah, it's got a lot more power than that Losi DBXL had out here. I sound like I got a doggone gear. I don't know where I'm at. Probably upside down, yeah. These hills are so soft. Maybe some of that dirt right there might be a little harder. Knew it wasn't gonna work. I wonder if we can get a jump upside the hill. Too straight up. Haha, guys, parked it. Dirt's just so soft here. That's about the best jump. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, it's a little rough. The dirt's so soft it won't hardly hit the heels. It buries into them when I hit them. I can't hardly jump them that good.
Left you some rounds.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
I might have one truck come back. Just watch him when he comes in.
Yeah. Yes, sir. 10-4. Thank you. Happy New Year. Ah! Come on, boy. No. I tell you what, it's gonna be dirty. The other day there were some nice jumps right up here. I thought it was finna get me. Guys, I'm just out having a good time today. I got my SMC, one of them batteries is going to end up being all right, I think. The other one, I think it was Mr. Randy at SMC, he warranted my battery for me. Thank you, SMC. I needed it. SMC batteries ain't no joke, guys. That's what we're running in here today. SMC for the win, guys. Look at that, airborne. Cartwheel. Get it. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a video with that. Guys, what do y'all think about the Outkast? I think it's been a total beast. I ain't never broke nothing on it but that shock, and the only reason I broke it is because it was run into a trailer. But other than that, the Outkast is a beast, guys. Check it out. All right, guys, remember to like and subscribe and catch us on the next video. Peace out.